uh, today we will understand how to make histogram. Okay, so very easy one, not to be worried. Basically, I have already told you that these softwares are handy only when you understand the basic concepts of statistics. If you don't know statistics, then this Excel will be of no use to you. So please make sure that you understand this subject quite efficiently. So histogram. So let's suppose that class interval, and 0 to 10, 10 to 20, and so on. Let's put it up. 0 to 10, then 10 to 20, then 20 to 30, then 30 to 40, 40 to 50. Okay, so there's 20 October. So I hope you know how to change this. 20 October, you have to go to text and then write 10 to 20, and here it is. Now I have taken an exam of 50 marks, and the numbers which my students have got is as follows. So frequency. So there are 15 students who have got marks within the range of 0 to 10, 25, 14, 15, 16, any numbers. And if you had any numbers, suppose 20. Okay, now I want to create an histogram of it. So what I will do, I will select from 0 to 10 to 20. That's the section part, and then I will go into insert, go to column, and click. So here it is. Now you will find, if you want some beautification, first delete this series. Now click on these grid lines, and flowers and some bullets will emerge. Delete. Here it is. And now I want labeling. Don't worry. First of all, click on this side. This is the y-axis. Now go to layout, second point, axis title, third, and then primary vertical axis, rotated, and here we will write it over the top of the ribbon like this, and these are number of students, so we will write number of students. Okay, enter. So we will have the name labeling over here, and I want this needs to be labeled too. So first click on the class interval, and then again go to the same process, axis title, this time primary horizontal axis, title below, and what we want to write, what we will write over here is marks. Okay, and enter. Clear? Now that's all. If you want any more beautification, then you can click on it, and then right click, go to format plot area, and if you want any further beautification, you can go for picture textures, and that's all. So here it is. Thank you.